In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sort Microsoft Planner grid view. To begin, open Microsoft Planner in your browser and go to the plan you want to work with. In this example, I am using a project plan, but the same process works for any planner plan. Once you are inside the plan, take a moment to confirm you are looking at the tasks you expect, since sorting will only affect what is currently shown on screen. Next, switch your view to grid. You can do this by selecting grid from the view options near the top of the plan. The grid view is useful because it lays your tasks out in a table-style format, making it easier to organize and review details like due dates, priority, buckets, and assignments all in one place. Now that you are in grid view, click on Filters. This opens a panel where you can control how tasks are organized and narrowed down. Even though it is labeled Filters, this is also where you can choose common sorting and grouping options that help you manage your list more efficiently. In the Filters panel, click on Due Date. Selecting due date will organize your tasks based on when they are due, which is helpful when you are trying to focus on upcoming deadlines and make sure nothing is slipping past. If some tasks do not have a due date, they may appear grouped separately, so consider adding due dates later if you want a cleaner schedule view. After that, click on Priority. This helps you organize tasks by urgency, so high-priority items stand out more clearly. Using priority sorting alongside due dates can make it easier to decide what to work on first when you have multiple tasks landing in the same time frame. Next, click on Bucket. Buckets are often used to represent phases, departments, or categories, so sorting by bucket can give you a structured overview of how work is distributed across your plan. Then click on Assignment. This organizes tasks by who they are assigned to, which is especially useful when you are reviewing workloads or preparing for a team check-in. Finally, click on Filters again to close the panel and return to the full grid view with your chosen sorting applied. That covers everything you need to know.